Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill-Set-Go and welcome to Java programming tutorial. In this video, we will create a Java project and we will print hello world program. We will write an hello world program in this. So I am using an IDE, Eclipse IDE. So first you need to make sure that you are in the Java perspective. If you see here, there is open perspective. Then we will get the list of perspectives. Then you search Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition. So let's click and open the Java perspective. Then you can go to Project Explorer, right click and create a new other project. So here I am going to create a Maven Java project. So if you don't have Maven here, please install a Maven with using help button and install Maven software inside Eclipse. So here you can select Maven project, then you can click on next and you can choose the location where this project will be stored. So here I will be selecting one path, select folder, then click on next, and for Maven pick start project you can select an artifact ID, Maven artifact type pick start 1.1, then click on next. Then you can give a group ID, anything. I gave com.ash. An artifact ID is nothing but the project name. Here I will name project name as Java tutorial. And in this version, we will mention the version of this project. Presently, we will keep 1.0. And this is the package name created by default, com.ash.java tutorial. And let's finish this. So the project Java tutorial is created. You can expand and see source folders. Source main Java, where the main code exists, and the default package is created as com.ash.java tutorial. So inside this, by default, one class will be created, app.java. And in app.java, there is a method, main method. This is the entry point of the Java project. In any Java project, the entry point will be the main method, which is public static void and which will accept array of strings arguments. And inside this we will use system.out.println to give any output of the project. So now if you execute this program, we will get output as hello world. Let's execute and see. Just right click and click on run as Java application. So you have written the first program in Java language, which will print hello world. If you want to change the output, you can change hello world Java tutorial. So now we will get output as hello world Java tutorial. So this is the hello world program in Java language, and this is how we will create a Java project with using. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel and follow up for more tutorials in Java. Thank you for watching.